Hey there YouTube, I'm Kishan and in this video I'm going to showcase you some different projects that I've been working on. So this is going to be a pretty short video, and before moving forward make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also I'm going to give you a small demo of the WhatsApp clone. The WhatsApp clone is created, but I'm only going to create a video about it after the channel gets 20,000 subscribers. So make sure that you share the channel and subscribe to the channel. This video is going to be amazing. So this project is Lavish. I worked on this project 5 years back. This was my first project. This was kind of a combination of social media website, Stack Overflow and a news website. It took me a year to develop this project, but now I can create this project within a month. So this project was created in PHP and MySQL back in 2018, but now I'm planning to recreate this project in Next.js 13 with some awesome new technologies. Let me know in the comment section below if you want this video faster. So now let's log in. So this is the sign in page. This is the sign up page. You can see that awesome animation going up. Now let me log in, sign in. And this is the social media app. Doesn't this layout look amazing? So in here we can search for people and the pages. We can see the friend requests that are pending, the messages. We also have this profile settings and everything. You can set your status from here. Now this is a sidebar. This also had an animation. After this, these are all my friends and you can see the online and offline status of them. I can also open this sidebar and you can see the name of the friends. You can also search friends. I'm going to close this, and when you click over this, we'll be proceeded to the chat section. I'm going to showcase that afterwards. So this is the basic layout. These are all my friends. Now let me show you the chat section. So this is the chat section. And you can see that it's looking like a WhatsApp, and this was created in PHP and Ajax. You can also customize the colors, switch to light and dark mode. You can also enable sounds, send in the files. Now let me show you the other section, which is the news feed. So in here we can see the tech news. So this is the masonry layout. Again, if you are watching this video, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We need 20,000 subscribers. After that, I'll be posting the WhatsApp clone, and if we reach out to 25,000 subscribers, I will also post this project using Next.js 13. Now let's move further. I'm going to open up this news. You can see that there are various reactions here. You can also choose a reaction. I'm going to react this as like, and you can see that this post has 1 like. You can also comment out here, great post. And you can see that we have our comment here. So the page reloaded because it was in PHP. Then we have this featured post section here. So this changes every time. If I refresh the page, you can see that it changed. Now let me show you the thread feed, which is just like a Quora clone. So we have categories here. I'm going to select Android. We have subcategories here. I'm going to select Oreo. And you can just comment in this thread. Now after this, we have this status feed, which shows the posts from your friends. Now you can also have the birthdays of your friends here. After that, we have this friend request section. If you have any new friend requests, they are visible here, and you can also customize your profile from here. After that, we have friends birthday section. This show you the upcoming birthdays of your friends, and you can create an event according to that. Isn't this project awesome? Now after all of this, I had an admin feed here. From here you can manage your application. You can add new news from here. Then you can view the news from here. You can edit it, delete it. Then you can add new categories from here. You can see all the threads here. You can add a thread from here. In the friend feed, you can see all the users in your application. You can remove that user from here. The password was not encrypted, but we'll be fixing this application. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want me to create this application in Next.js 13, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. If we hit 20,000 subscribers, I'm going to post the WhatsApp clone and the Lavish. Now let me show you the demo of WhatsApp clone. So this is the WhatsApp clone using Next.js 13. I've been developing this clone from last 5 months, and I have perfected this clone in every way. I have also added voice call and video call inside the clone itself. So this makes it a one of a kind WhatsApp clone. Now I'm going to post this video only after this channel gets 20,000 subscribers. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also share the channel. Now let's log in. The login is using Firebase, and in here, just like WhatsApp, we can see all our recent chats. We can also search anything here. There is also this contacts page. All the contacts are sorted according to the alphabets. I'm going to select this, and you can see that the chat is here. So this is a pixel perfect clone of WhatsApp. We do have our voice call and video call here. And now I will video call Jamie Shade. You can see that call is being made. I'm going to end the video call. I'm not going to show you every feature in this demo. For that you have to wait for the video to be released. Now I'm going to log in again with a new user, and I'm going to show you the onboarding process. So this is the onboarding process. You have to write your name here, the status. You can change your profile picture here. So here we have 4 options. We can take the photograph from camera, choose it from library, upload the photo, or remove the photo for this default profile picture. So we are going to choose it from library, and I'm going to use this profile picture. I'm going to change the display name to Cool Kishan. About is awesome. Create the profile, and our new WhatsApp profile was created. Now we'll see the contacts, and we are going to log out. So this was just a small demo of the WhatsApp clone. We have many more features in the project, and I'm going to create a video on it only after we get 20,000 subscribers. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's move forward. Now I want to show you one of my another project that I've been working on from the past few months. This project is not a part of YouTube, but I'm going to release this online. So the name of this project is FrontendVita, and this provides a set of tools for front-end developers, back-end developers, for SEO and all this stuff. And again, before moving further, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So this is the basic layout. So I have already developed the JSON tools, the HTML tools, the CSS tools, the JavaScript tools, and the SEO meta text tool. This UI is developed by scratch in Next.js, and all of these components are coded from scratch. So let me show you the things that I have developed. So this is the JSON formatter tool. So whenever you want to format your JSON, you just have to paste your JSON code here, and the results would be here. So I'm gonna load the sample data. So this is the sample data, and I'm going to mess with this structure, and you can see that this JSON is not formatted. And now when I will click this format button, it would format the JSON and have the results here. So as you can see that the JSON was formatted. Now we can also convert this JSON to CSV, YAML or XML. As you can see that here. You can also download this in a text file. So this is the text file. Pretty useful, right? You can also change the themes from here. I have given multiple themes here, and I have various tools for HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now we also have this dark and light mode from here. So, and we have this meta tags SEO tools. So it will generate the meta tags that you need for your project. Just fill in the information and click on this generate meta tags. You can also see the preview of what the meta tags will show in the Google, Facebook and Twitter. Now you can generate the meta tags and you can copy all of this and paste it in your website. Pretty useful, right? So that's it for the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. My goal is to reach 20,000 subscribers and then I will release the WhatsApp clone. And if you have any questions about the tools that I am developing, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. This is me, Kishan Sheth, signing out.